Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to set up medication reminders on your new Amazon Alexa device. There are two ways to do this. The first one is super easy, I promise. Just say, "Hey Alexa, set reminder to take my heart medicine at 10 a.m. every day." This is just an example, of course. Refer to the medicine however you generally refer to it, and choose the time that works best for your schedule. An important part to add is the everyday, because this will make sure that you get the reminder daily, not just one time. She'll repeat back your request, and if it sounds right, you're all done with that reminder. Do this for each medication that you would like to, especially if they're at different times. If you take all of your medicine at the same time, you could even just say, "Alexa, remind me to take my medicine at 8 a.m." If you take your medicine multiple times a day, do this for each dose. So if you take your heart medicine at 10 a.m. and 10 p.m., you would say, "Alexa, remind me to take my heart medicine every day at 10 a.m." She'll confirm this reminder, and then you have to set a second reminder for the nighttime dose. So then say, "Alexa, remind me to take my heart medicine every day at 10 p.m." And that's all you'll have to do. She'll remind you at the times that you specified, and you're good to go. If you're feeling extra tech savvy, there's an app that you could download on your phone called Amazon Alexa. The icon for the app is light blue with a white circle, like you see here in this screenshot. After the app is downloaded, the first step would be to set up the Amazon device with your smartphone through the Alexa app. Open the app and your screen should look similar to this. These screenshots are from my iPhone, so it might look slightly different for those Android users out there, but the main layout of the app should be the same. To sync your device, tap Devices at the bottom of the home page, as I've noted with the white circle, and then the plus sign in the top right. After that, the app will walk you through step-by-step syncing your device, as this will vary depending on which model you have. Now for setting up your reminders. Tap More in the bottom right corner, and throughout these slides, just look for the white circle. Next, you'll want to tap Reminders and Alarms, then select Reminders, and then the big plus sign above Add Reminder. Tap where it says Add a Title near the top, and a keyboard should pop up. This is where you'll name the reminder. I'm going to use my Take Heart Medicine example again. Ensure that below the title, the Add a Time button is selected, not Add a Location. Next, tap where it says Select beside the Announces From label. This is where you'll select your Amazon device. Tap on the name of your Alexa device. Mine, for example, says Ashton's Echo Dot. When you select the device, it will bring you back to the main Add Reminder screen. Tap where it says One Time beside Repeat. This is where you'll pick how many times a day you want Alexa to remind you to take the medication. And this should correlate with how you take the medication. If you choose daily, it will bring you back to the main screen. Tap the time to the right and use the time dial while scrolling up and down until it reflects the right time for you to take the medicine. And once you select the right time, hit save at the top right and you're all done. If you choose multiple times a day, pick the number that reflects how many times you take the medicine a day. Here I chose 2 times a day. It brought me to a new screen where it says 2 times a day at the top, and below that, 2 different times generated. Tap Change beside the first time and use the time dial to scroll up and down until you get the right time for the first dose. Once that's set, do the same thing for the second dose. Repeat this for all the dose times if you chose more than 2, then hit Done when you're finished with all the dose times. Once you hit Done, you're taken back to the main screen and you just need to hit Save at the top right. See, it's not so bad. If you need to set more than one reminder, you can hit Add Reminder at the top of your reminders list to set as many as you would like. You can always come back to this screen at any point. It doesn't have to be all done in one sitting. Just follow the first few steps to get you to the reminders page and you'll be all good. I hope this not only helps you navigate your Alexa device a little better, but also helps ease your medication management. Thanks for listening.